आयुर्वेदा क्या है? ये तो अंधविश्वास है, बाबाओं का ढोंग है। कोई पुड़ियों से भी ठीक होता है क्या? इससे पहले ना मैंने कभी ऐसा कुछ देखा नहीं था। आई वेंट बैक टू माई जॉब एंड आई डोंट नो सडनली क्या हो गया था। आई वॉज जस्ट नॉट देयर। मुझे सब मीनिंगलेस लगने लगा। फिर ना कुछ ऐसा हुआ 2019 में दैट चेंज। आई क्रिएटेड अ ब्रांड वर्थ 20 करोड़ सिंगल हैंडेडली इन जस्ट 1 year। आयुर्वेदा क्या है? ये तो अंधविश्वास है, बाबाओं का ढोंग है। कोई पुड़ियों से भी ठीक होता है क्या? वी आर लिविंग इन अ 21st century. To now, when Ayurveda forms the basis of my business and my life. Hi everyone, I am Ridhima Arora. I'm the founder of Namya Foods, which is an Ayurveda-based health foods brand. I'm also a yoga trainer, a nutrition consultant, and an author. And today I'm going to take you through my journey of disbelief in Ayurveda to how I created an Ayurvedic brand worth 20 crores single-handedly in just 1 year. Born and brought up in Jammu and Kashmir. मुझे याद है जब मैं छोटी थी तो शायद मुझे IIT करना था। तो लाइक अ टिपिकल 90s किड बीटेक और MBA तो डिफ़ॉल्ट में हो गया एंड आई वेंट ऑन टू डू अ ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट जॉब फॉर अबाउट 4.5 years। और लाइफ ठीक चल रही थी, सीमिंगली ठीक चल रही थी until something happened in 2018। My father was diagnosed with liver cirrhosis and was told that he had no more than 6 months to save his life। We are a nuclear family and I'm the elder daughter। और इससे पहले ना मैंने कभी ऐसा कुछ देखा नहीं था। तो सोचने लगे कि क्या करेंगे। स्टार्टेड रनिंग अक्रॉस हॉस्पिटल्स और पहली बार ऐसा लगा कि दुख का एहसास ना असली दुख होने पे होता है। आई रिमेंबर आई यूज्ड टू वेक अप इन द हॉस्पिटल एंड सी पीपल डाइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई आईज। दे वर पीपल हु वर रो रहे थे, कोई किसी के पास फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज थे और न जाने कितनी सारी चीज़ें जो मैंने पहले कभी नहीं देखी थी। But there was something that I understood that time and it was very strange कि ये दवाई खा लो, ये प्रोटीन पाउडर ले लो, ये एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन ले लो, but what about the food that you're eating each and every day? उसकी तो कोई बात ही नहीं। My father, who had no other option but to try Ayurveda, and my family also believes in Ayurveda, unlike me, they wanted to try Ayurveda as their last respite. So I started researching about Ayurvedic herbs. I went to a couple of hakims, understood. My father completely changed his lifestyle and started using Ayurvedic herbs in his daily life. And he started recovering. And this was the first time I realized that maybe the magic of Ayurveda is working in our lives. I went back to my job and I don't know suddenly क्या हो गया था. I was just not there. मुझे सब meaningless लगने लगा. I felt कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. बट मुझ में ना इतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी कि एट द एज ऑफ 28 आई कुड जस्ट लीव माई जॉब बिकॉज एवरी वन अराउंड वॉज जस्ट सेटलिंग डाउन एंड देर इज दिस एडिक्शन टू द सैलरी दैट यू गेट मंथ ऑन मंथ। मे बी आई वॉज जस्ट एडिक्टेड टू माई सैलरी। फिर ना कुछ ऐसा हुआ 2019 में दैट चेंज माई पर्सपेक्टिव टूवर्ड्स लाइफ। आई लॉस्ट 2 very very close family members to death that year, one after the other. And probably this was one of those darkest moments of my life. मुझे याद है मैं सुबह उठती थी और मेरा उठने का मन नहीं करता था क्योंकि I just didn't want to face the reality of whatever had happened to us. तो एक दिन I woke up in the morning and I said to myself कि जो भी हुआ हो गया, हमारे साथ जितना बुरा होना था हो गया, but for whatever life I have left in this lifespan, I will make the best use of it and I will use it to give meaning. That day, I quit my job and moved to a different city to start a startup, and that was Namya Foods. I wanted to create a brand that let people be healthy in every day so that they didn't have to end up in a hospital and face those miseries that we had as a family. So I started creating these Ayurvedic blends, Ayurvedic combinations that you could use in your everyday life and still be healthy and stay away from BP, thyroid, cholesterol, which are so common today. तो मैंने Ayurvedic courses कुछ पढ़ने शुरू कर दिए. At the same time, I started meeting hakims. In fact, I collaborated with some of them क्योंकि मुझे right combination of Ayurvedic herbs बनाने थे उस समय. Got them certified, got them approved. और बहुत सारे चावड़ी बाजार के चक्कर लगाए बिकॉज आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू अंडरस्टैंड द राइट काइंड ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स दैट वुड गो इन द कॉम्पोजिशंस। और क्या असली क्या नकली ये समझना भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था। In January 2020, I launched my products. And like a typical FMCG, मुझे लगा शायद offline is the way to go. तो मैं retailers के पास जाने लगी and I started sending my samples to retailers. बहुत सारे लोगों ने मना कर दिया, saying कि हर एक नया ब्रांड आता है, छोटा ब्रांड आता है और रोज़ कितने सारे ब्रांड्स जो हैं वो फेल हो जाते हैं, हम आपको क्यों रखें. फिर I met this distributor and I clearly remember what happened then. A distributor called me up and he said, can you meet me at XYZ place in Delhi? And I said, yes, I can come. So it was already getting dark. मैं गई वहाँ पर and it was a very lonely place with this small shop which they were calling office, and there were 6 men sitting inside and they were just giving this look कि अरे ये लड़की हमें क्या बताएगी. So I gave my product pitch. Thankfully everything was okay. वर्कड ऑन जीरो मार्जिन्स, बहुत सारा पैसा डुबाया, बहुत सारा पैसा रिकवर भी नहीं कर पाई. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ 2.5 months आई जस्ट रियलाइज्ड कि मे बी दिस इज़ नॉट माई कप ऑफ टी बिकॉज दिस वॉज अ ट्रेडिशनली मेल डोमिनेटेड मार्केट. तो थोड़ा प्रोस्पेक्टिव चेंज किया और लगा कि लेट्स स्टार्ट एन ऑनलाइन बिजनेस. तो ऑनलाइन शुरू किया. इट वॉजंट दैट ईजी. 10 प्लेटफॉर्म्स रिजेक्ट करते थे एंड देन जस्ट वन विल कम एंड से ओके लेट्स टेक यू. And I remember this one big market platform that I really wanted to go to and get our products onboarded. Said कि इतना marketing पैसा लगेगा, अगर है तो आ जाओ, otherwise it's a no-no. But I was hell-bent. I was like, I'm going to get my products placed on this market platform. So I started calling them. हर Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I used to call them and ask कि can we negotiate, can we do something about it? And I remember it took me literally 250 calls, more than 10 months of wait to finally get our products onboarded on that platform without spending single marketing penny on that platform. तो point है कि कई बारी ना ढीठ बनना पड़ता है, तो ढीठ बन जाओ. Have resilience in life and do what you think is correct and be there as long as it gets done. क्योंकि ना कहाँ का हार्ड वर्क कहाँ काम आ जाएगा we also don't know. इसके बाद I was very curious to understand that हमारा प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में चल भी रहा है कि नहीं. सो आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस प्रोडक्ट वैलिडेशन टेस्टिंग. आई वुड गो टू दीज पॉश पॉकेट्स ऑफ दिल्ली एंड वी यूज्ड टू डू ब्रांड एक्टिवेशंस देयर. आई वुड गिव आउट सैम्पल्स टू पीपल and tell them to try, and in return we'll take their contact details and their names so that we could ask for the feedback. At least for the first 6 months I used to call everyone myself and ask कि कैसा लगा प्रोडक्ट. बिकॉज कहीं ना कितनी भी मार्केटिंग कर लो आप, इफ़ योर प्रोडक्ट इज़ अ फेल देन योर प्रोडक्ट इज़ अ फेल. And I remember this one moment where a girl calls me up and she says that her mother, who had this heart blockage, was having these blood thinning dosages thrice every day, and she used her heart tea for about 3 weeks. Her blood thinning dosage actually reduced from 3 to 1 in just 3 weeks. And I think that day I knew that we were doing something really great. And I knew that, maybe the Ayurveda's magic is working. It is probably the epiphany of my life because उससे पहले मुझे बहुत डाउट्स थे, पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं, ठीक कर भी रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि पहले कभी भी कुछ ऐसा नहीं करा था. But that day I just knew. And then so many other calls that I kept receiving after that. Till that one time in May 2020, when I get this call from my friend that this big media publishing house had covered us. I go to my laptop, I open and refresh my Chrome. And I see 728 orders on my website. बहुत लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा orders नहीं हैं, but हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी because we were not doing that kind of orders on our own platform. Honestly, I was not even equipped to fulfill all those orders. तो मैं 2 रात बैठी. I literally woke up for 2 nights, packed all the orders, dispatched them, and they got delivered on time because I didn't want any customer to have that bad experience for the first time who was interacting with us. And I think from then onwards, we've received so much love from the customers. कहते हैं ना कि marketing करनी चाहिए, marketing team होनी चाहिए. But for me, my customer became my marketing team because there was so much of word of mouth that was happening about the brand. My customer literally became the brand evangelist of the brand. The brand that was rejected in local markets of Jammu and Delhi is now being loved and appreciated so much in United States, Canada and UAE. And now as we speak, the brand valuation has been done to be about 20 crores. जिंदगी में ना एक मौका मिलता है to understand and figure out that what is your purpose of life, what is your meaning of life. एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी ना ज़रूरी नहीं है कि स्ट्रेट कन्वेंशनल तरीके से आए, यहाँ कहीं से भी आ सकती है. To the time when I felt that my life had fallen apart is exactly the time when I found the purpose to my life. So be awake, be conscious and understand कि opportunity कहाँ से आ रही है. और कभी भी कोई opportunity ठीक लगे ना तो हाँ कर दो, say yes to it. ज़्यादा मत सोचो कि मैं नहीं कर सकता, मुझसे नहीं होगा, ये नहीं हो सकता. Don't create those bottlenecks and mind blocks in your own head. And you know, I think I've understood this over a period of time कि चीज़ें हो जाती हैं. Everything is figure outable. From the time when I started, I did not have literally any experience in sales, distribution. I still struggle with a lot of things in finance, how to manage cash flows, but I figured it out on the way. You can figure it out as long as you're trying to build something authentic. You're trying to do what your heart tells you to do. In the last 365 days, I haven't even taken one leave, one break, one weekend getaway because I don't need a weekend to escape my life. I'm living my life each and every moment. And find that out. Let your fears not determine what you can do. See your potential beyond what your fears can see and envision. And find out what is your real purpose of life. Thank you.
Tell us what you think about this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.